Hello students, now we will go through the LP2 of 19th block in science. The LP2 is efforts, load and fulcrum. The aim of the LP2 is to explain that levers can help in reducing work. So what is lever here student? Lever is a simple machine. Okay, it is a simple machine that is used to lift heavy objects, or it enable one to apply less effort that required to lift an object, we can say, right? So here you can see, if you want to lift any heavy object, then what you will do, you can use a lever. So whatever you are seeing now, like seesaw, what we will call, like that, it is a lever we will call, right? So how we can use means, see here, if the load will be there, see here carefully in the picture, if the load would be there, then what we will do, we will take a stick or any straight object that, and what we will do, in this position you can see clearly that a man, he is using like a lever to lift that object, right? Here you can see in this lever system, right? So here lever means the three things is clearly we have to observe. Okay, what are those means? One is effort, second is load, third one is fulcrum. Okay, what is effort means? See, whatever the man is holding it na, that he is using the effort, means applying the force, right? Here he is applying the force, so it will be out input, then the load will be here, load is here, and whatever where the actually the fulcrum is, means here we can say, here in middle the fulcrum will be there, right? So this is about the this is about a lever example. Okay, how the lever actually works. So we will go through the few of the examples. So in your content book you can see many examples have been given, types of the lever, right? Scissor is an example, wheelbarrow, tweezer, right? These are the examples. So first we will go through the scissor example. So scissor, it is also a one type of simple machine, and we will call it as lever example. Okay, lever. So here see student, where actually force we will apply, you know very well, clearly it has been given. Here we will apply the force, right? So we will call here effort, right? So in the middle fulcrum will be there, right? The next, where actually work load will be there, means where you will cut the paper, here you will cut the paper, so load will be here, right? So this is the first type of lever, we will say first class lever, right? So second example, instead of wheelbarrow, we will go through the what we will call the opener will be there na, that bottle openers, right? Like this. So here you can see where effort we will apply, and actually where load will be there, and in the middle the fulcrum will be there, right? So this is a second class lever, we can say. Then next one we will go through the tweezer, right? Have you seen like this? I think you have saw like what we will call that here it is the tweezer, right? So where they actually load will be there, in the in the right corner the load will be there, right? Or you want to pick up any small needles, right? Anything, then we will use like this lever tweezer, right? So fulcrum will be at the corner, and actually where we will hold it and where we will apply the force, in the middle. So this is the example of third class lever. Okay, so these are the three types of lever: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Here you can clearly see, okay, actually it is based on where the fulcrum and where the output and input force, means load and effort. So based on that, three types of levers are there. Okay, first class, second class and third class levers. So these levers, how do you think, now you have understood now how these levers help us, means it enables us to apply less effort, means less force we are applying to lift anything, or to open the any opener, or to cut any papers like this. So these are the simple tools or simple machines that we are using in our daily life, right? So now open your page number 15 S2 in volume 3. Write today's date, student. So here you have to you have to label the where the fulcrum, load and effort will be there, right? So Caesar just now explained, so go like that. Okay, so this is same like tweezer is there na, the same examples are different, but some of the based on the work how we will use it. So think it and write your answer. So second question, how do levers make our work easier? So you, based on the above examples, you can write second answer. So third question, which lever would you use to some examples given. Cut pictures from a magazine. Which lever you will use? Write that one. Lift a hot pan without a handle. Right, if the handle would not be there, right, what we will use. Next question, squeeze out lemon juice. Next, trap a fish from water. Take out nail from a wall. So these are the examples of few levers have been given. So you have to write what you will use to do these all. So here we have completed 2 LPs. Tomorrow we will go through the LP3 and LP4.